What's the meaning of analytical? Analytical. 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 Analytical.
The term analytical refers to the process of breaking down complex information or data into smaller, more manageable parts in order to gain a deeper understanding of it. An analytical approach involves careful examination and interpretation of data, often using various tools and techniques to identify patterns, trends, and correlations. The result of an analytical approach is typically a set of insights or recommendations that can be used to inform decision-making or improve understanding of a particular subject. Overall, the ability to be analytical is an important skill for anyone who wishes to effectively analyze and interpret data.